Today 8th of March, and as I am shooting this video, market has taken a huge fall. So before we move on with the ETFs, here is a quick to the point market update for all of you. So yes, the market is looking weak. It can fall another 5 to 7% from current levels, and that can feel scary. But I want you to look at these images. Now, this is Ujjivan when it had fallen down 46%. I had bought it around 33 and 40 rupees, and today I am sitting on a 47% profit. Now, here is a more recent example NetWeb. It was down 31% when I bought it near 3050 rupees, and as of today, that position is up by 27%. So I did not show you my positions to brag about them. I showed you them to prove a point. Money is made in downturns, but only if you know what to buy. So don't be scared about this fall. And if you want to lower your risk, then don't buy individual stocks. You can add ETFs to your portfolio. And that's why today we are going to talk about 3 ETFs that should be a part of your portfolio, especially during this fall. So this is Sanika, MD at Rangavan Finance, where your growth is our priority. And now let's begin with the video. See, ETF is the best way to start investing in the market at a lower price of 100 to 100 rupees. And most of the people, when they think of Indian markets and ETFs, they think of Nifty 50. It is the baseline index. But what if the real winner is not the one in the spotlight? Over the last 20 years, Nifty Midcap 150 has delivered 16.9% CAGR and Nifty 50 14%, Nifty Next 50 15.7%, even the Nifty Small Cap sits at 15.1%. But Nifty Mid Cap 150 beats them all comfortably. And across 15-year, 10-year, 5-year windows, the story does not change. This index just keeps on winning. Now, these are the companies on the path of becoming tomorrow's blue chips. So, my first pick for that extra return is the unsung hero Nifty Midcap 150 ETF. Now you must be thinking, there are so many Midcap 150 ETFs. Which one should we buy? Don't worry, look over here. Now here you can see multiple ETFs. Now which ETF is perfect for you? Now for that, we need to check out the first rule, which is liquidity is king. So we need to check out that first. Now here we have Mirai Asset, Zerodha is there, ICICI, Nippon, all of them have good volume. Now let's move on to the second rule, which is comparing the expense ratios. Now the lower it is, the more of that 16.9% returns stays with you. And do not buy multiple ETFs tracking the same index. One is enough for you. Now the second ETF is a lifesaver for me. It has not only given good returns, but it actually gives stability to your portfolio. Now let me ask you something. When have most of the investors lost money? It is not during market crashes, but when life throws an emergency bill, an unexpected expense your way, and you are forced to sell your good stocks. So at that time, all of the compounding breaks and years of patience just gone. And this is why every portfolio needs a gold ETF, not gold ornaments, a gold ETF. And here is how I use it. Now, whenever I don't see good opportunities in stocks, I park my money in gold. It beats the inflation, it is completely liquid, and whenever I see a good opportunity in stocks, I rotate that money out of gold and into that stock. So my money is never sitting idle. But here is the real use of that gold ETF. Whenever an emergency comes, at that time I sell that gold ETF and not my stocks. See, I'm not emotionally attached to an ETF the way people are attached to their ornaments. So this detachment protects my compounding journey in stocks. For this also, check the volumes first. We have SBI, Nippon, and Tata Gold ETFs. Now they are solid options, and keep gold at about 10 to 20% of your portfolio. And always remember that it is not there to make you rich, it is there to make sure that you stay on the path of compounding. Now, the third index has given me the best returns in the last 5 years. But before I reveal the name of that index, I want you to imagine something. Now, there is a shop under your apartment where you get a big pack of Maggie at 120 rupees. But wait, just take a 10-15 minute walk further and you are getting the same Maggie pack at 75 rupees. So, would you take that walk? Yes, of course you would. Now, what if I told you if that same logic applies to investing? Now, I have been talking about this from the last 5 years that add this index to your portfolio. But most of the investors ignore it because they are not willing to take that 10 to 15 minutes to add this index to their portfolio. And the index that I am talking about is the NASDAQ 100. See, there are two massive reasons to buy the NASDAQ. First is the AI revolution. The companies leading it are all US tech giants. See, India has incredible strengths, but when it comes to AI powerhouses, the US is where the action is. And to invest in the future, you have to think globally. Second reason, and this is the secret weapon, rupee depreciation. Now, I started investing in the US markets in 2021. At that time, $1 was equal to 73 rupees. And today it is around 91 rupees. Now, that alone gave me 24 to 25% returns. And in the last 5 years, NASDAQ returned 96% and Nifty 50 75%. Now, add the currency benefit on top of that 96%, and you are looking at over 120% total returns. See, I will be true and honest with you. If you want to gain returns through AI development, if you want to truly invest in the next booming sector that will define our future, then you cannot ignore the US stocks. US stocks have given multi-bagger returns in the past and have the potential to do the same in the future as well. Now, many of you will think that I want to invest in US stocks, but I don't know how to start. See, there are two things. First, NSE has launched US investing in the month of March. That means brokers like Zerodha, Grow, and Angel One are also coming up with US stock investing. And that means that you can buy US stocks the same way you buy Indian stocks. And that is why I am finally launching the Ranga One US model portfolio service. See, this is not just a list of stocks, it is the complete solution. You will get to know when to buy, exactly how much quantity to buy. You will get exclusive access to the Telegram community where we will only talk about the US markets and the US stocks. When to buy, when to down average, when to sell. All of that in one place. Plus, you also get access to the very powerful US investment calculator only at Rangavan Finance. And for those of you who are thinking that Sanika, Meta is trading at $667, how will we buy? That is too expensive. See, you don't have to buy the entire stock. You can buy the stock in fractions. You can start investing in the US markets with as little as 100 rupees. So now see, the opportunity is right in front of you, and now you also have the guidance to capture it. So just visit rangavan.finance and subscribe to the US model portfolio today. See, right now, the US markets are at a discount, and I don't want you to miss this discount. So just check out the US portfolio on rangavan.finance, where your growth is our priority. So I am Sanika, MD at Rangavan Finance, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye.